This is a 1952 Ford. It's badged as a custom. The hood is up and the owner's here. I'll see if I can get in the inside while I've got access. There it is from the back. How long have you had this car?
I've had it about 13 or 14 months. Not years, months.
Did you buy it in this condition?
No, I had the seats redone, but everything else was in this condition. The seats was original when I got it, but they was rotted.
They were in
they were starting
poor shape.
Yeah. Had them repaired and they ripped right back out. These are all original. The door panels and
here's under the hood. And we'll just make our way around here.
Just like that Oldsmobile hubcaps, they did that back then, so that's why I put it in.
Oh, I see, okay. This is under the hood on the 1950 Ford. He's let us get the interiors. He made a point to get those hubcaps on there. You can't see it on this side because it's all tucked in. That's some fitment right there. Look at that. And there's your door for your fuel. Go for the rollers on this one. Nice slow roller. Really good, really good. And there's under the hood on that white sedan I was just shooting when I lost my battery. So there's that. It is a 1965. Here's the interiors on the Coronet. There's the dash area, and here's the driver's side over there. And there's the back seats. There it is. All right. Is my focus messing with me again? So here's this next one. I met with the owner and he talked to me about the car. He's got a board in there that's got some information on it. And here's this one from the back. There's a roller in the background. Ooh, smooth. It's an Impala. And here's this one. Here's this one. I didn't get with the owner on matching numbers, but I'm gonna say maybe not matching numbers on a car like this. Maybe that's difficult to do. We got 1954 on the year for this one. So this is the plaque the man has had made for his 38 Pontiac, and it has all the information about 1938. 65 roller. I think I need to get this from the back. There's a lot of it to see. So let's stand over here. I can't even get the whole thing in the frame. There's only so places I can stand. There it is. Hopefully that looks good. It's under the hood on the flame truck, so you can see the flames on the valve covers there. This guy's just gone ahead and went 45 degrees on a deal. Just take it. Oh, you call the year in the comments. You guys tell me.
If I saw him, I would know.
We have a Coyote 5.0. So he's got some aero on here. Spikes are on the wheels for the lugs. Got the spiky lugs. Brembo's printed on the brakes. Whatever Customs. Speed Shop. is out here, and they've got this little piece as their example for the whatever customs speed shop. We have a Camaro, looks like it's set for racing. He's got some giant slicks on the back. Looks like a color changing with the angle of the sun, color changing on the paint, orange and a yellow. 77. Under the hood on the 77 Camaro with the orange and yellow color changing paint. That's what's under the hood on the 77. We have a 454, the GMC. It's a square body. I believe it's a Sierra Classic. Hood is up, so we'll see if we can get in there. Here's your square body from the back. I just got a year. He's got the Whataburger and the windshield for a 79. And this is under the hood on the Sierra Classic square body, the GMC. And I'm gonna say not matching numbers on this 79. He's got 79 on the keychain. Keys are in it. And he's got the 79 on the Whataburger on the dash. I don't have a year on this GTO. Late 60s possibly. The hood is up, we'll get it. Here's that blue GTO from the front. I think that music is live, so we're probably good on a copy strike. So far, one of the cleanest engine bays I've seen today. Really good. Just super clean on the engine bay on this GTO. He's ready for judging on the car show, because that engine bay is, you can eat off that Elbrock right there. I've zoomed in to try and isolate the darker areas of this dash for the lighting. But this is on the GTO, and there's the seats on the GTO. They're not writing the years on these, on the papers, so I don't have the years on all these. So what's gonna happen is, in this series of videos, is y'all are gonna have to tell me what the years are on these vehicles, because it's not posted and I'm far from an expert. So call this the green patina and you tell me what the year is, but I don't have it. So it's a Chevrolet, I'll give you that, the green patina Chevrolet. You put it in the comments if you know the year. Here's the interior on the green patina truck. Hope it's bright enough.
I got two more at the house.
Oh yeah?
I can't drive them all.
It's true. You can only drive.
2000 WS 6.
So this is a matching numbers car. How long have you owned this car?
2 years, over 2 years.
You've owned this car for 2 years. Okay. You owned one when you were younger, and you let that one go.
Yeah.
And then you found one. You've got one just like the one you used to have.
Sure.
Was it blue? Was the one that you had blue also?
Yes.
So this is just like the one you used to own,
Yeah, just like
when you were younger, the blue
the other
one.
one's automatic.
We've been married 36 years, so that, imagine how much that.
Oh my goodness.
I like hard top. A lot of people like T-top. I don't like T-top.
Well, we're gonna grab everything we can. And it's a little dark. I think we're all right. There's not a year on this one. This is an old Pontiac. It's there on the dash. Here's the interior. It's got a back seat.